Hello everyone, welcome to Popping Off. Today I made this cherry cat eye nails. It is Pinterest inspired. I was browsing on Pinterest and looking for cherry design nails. I really like this last design I found. I just think it looks super elegant and classy, so I'm going to make this one today. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So I already filed everything and shaped the nails to the size and length I wanted. I'm putting a plastic box here to mix two colors together. I have a slightly pink cat eye gel that I want to use, but it is not pink enough, so I am mixing in some syrup red gel in it. This is the cat eye gel I used. It doesn't have a number on it, so it is called Apricot on the website that sells it. I bought it from Shein. And I'm putting on Apricot cat eye on my thumb and middle finger because those two fingers are the ones that I'm planning to put cherries on top. I don't want them to be too pink. I actually still don't know how to work with the cat eye gels. It just seems super confusing to me. The only rule that worked for me for now is to never hold the magnet on top of the gel. Otherwise, all the glitters will be pushed to the bottom. So I always try to keep it parallel or below the nail to make sure I can suck out some of those shiny glitters. And I'm applying a thin coat of the red cat eye that I mixed on my thumb and middle finger to make it a little bit more pinkish. And now for my index finger, ring finger, and pinky, I'm just applying multiple layers of the pink cat eye gel. I apply many layers for each of them, and I would say about 4 or 5. Also, if you're interested in the nail set on my hands right now, feel free to check out my next video, which is me testing the longevity of the Beetle gel nail glue. I'm still testing it right now, but I will be posting the video soon, so stay tuned. For the cherry, I'm using the red cat eye mixture, and I'm using a ballpoint pen to draw the cherry. To bring out the glitter, I'm using the same technique just by putting the magnet parallel or a little bit below the gel. Once I'm satisfied, I put it under the lamp to cure it. Now I'm using this screen to draw the stem. I was planning to draw 2 leaves on top of the cherries and connect it to the stem, but I think I forgot about it in here, so I only drew the stems. And you can't forget that little horizontal line on top. Now I'm drawing a cherry on my middle finger, and it's the same process. I actually didn't like how big the cherry on my thumb looks like, so I actually removed it from my thumb and then draw some smaller cherries on it. And I also made my left hand's cherries smaller too, about the same size as the cherries on my thumb. I think it makes it look a lot more better. But I do like how big the one on my middle finger is, so I kept it. It looks like this under the sunlight. I don't think the camera does it justice. It looks so much more beautiful in person. And so that's it for this nail set. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!